Hello, my name is Alexey Klemenko, and I would like to present you the new innovation in field service management technology that combines the power of augmented reality, generative AI and ServiceNow platform. So let's imagine I am a field technician who came to a work site to find out what needs to be done and fix any problems. So I just arrived to location and I wearing my augmented reality headset, which in this case is Apple Vision Pro, but it can be something from Meta or Microsoft. And yeah, let me check my work. So I fire up Field Inspector application, and you see it shows me where I'm located. So actually I can even zoom in and maybe see that's my location. That's exactly the site I'm at, and it shows me that I have few inspections to do at this location, and there are a couple of incidents I need to solve. Okay, let's quickly look into the inspections. Alright, so it has some monitoring tasks, so tank emissions check, valves and seal checks. Alright, I don't want to do right now the inspection. I want to look at the incidents. Let's check the incidents. Okay, looks like there is a smart ear sensor offline, hasn't reported for 2 days. Well, let's fix that. Let's go back to the dashboard. And the great thing about this application, it can recognize your assets visually. So the smart ear sensor, this is actually it. You can see it here. So this is actually our sensor that uses vibration and sound analysis and artificial intelligence running in this box to detect if there's any tampering or theft attempt, or it can also be used for predictive maintenance, but in this case it's for security purposes. So it uses cellular connection to communicate to the cloud. And unfortunately hasn't been, as you saw in the incident, hasn't been on for a few days. So let's check out what's the problem. So let me just detach that, and let me try to find more information about this asset. So I go to scan an asset, and I just hold it, and yeah. So, and you see the system recognized the sensor, so it's exactly the same serial number as it was, and yeah, it shows that there's one incident attached to that. So let's look into that. Yeah, that's exactly the incident that we just saw. So okay, let's fix that. So it shows the details of the incident, that why the sensor is used and what happened in the past. So I can reassign it to someone else, I can close it, so that's what I should do, but I can actually ask generative AI to guide me in solving this problem. So let's do that. Alright, so you see it actually wants to use visual aid to help me figure out what's going on with the sensor. So I will place this sensor here, actually move it a bit here. So this will be my visual guide, and you can see this is exactly the model of the sensor I'm holding in my hand. And also it presents the guide to solve the problem step by step. And the great thing that this guide is automatically generated by generative AI model based on the knowledge base article that was found in ServiceNow and describes how to fix similar problems. So let me just go and yeah, click next. Oh, so it tells me to turn it upside down and unscrew that. Okay, so let's do that. So you can see my screwdriver. I only have one screw because I don't want to waste your time. Alright, all it off. So the next step would be to open the sensor. And there is, you see, there is a connector to the antenna that needs to be checked. Alright, let me open the sensor. So you can see exactly that it looks very much similar to the 3D model. And here is the connector. Let me check if it's loose or something. Yeah, exactly, it was loose. Alright, let me put it back together. And yep, and it says, okay, assemble sensor. So and after the sensor is assembled, it should have a green light on this. So once it turns green, the sensor communicates back to the cloud. Everything is solved, all is good, we are done. Now I need to close the ticket because I solved the problem, but I don't want to write extensive closing notes. I want generative AI to do it for me. So how do you do that? I click complete, and it generates the closing notes. So it generated the closing notes for the ticket, exactly on the steps, what I did, what was the problem, etc. So it saved me a few minutes of time, which is very precious in my line of work. I accept the solution and I close the incident. So you see, the incident is done. I need to check my weather station and maybe go down with my field service management and inspection. So now you see, this is how exciting it is. This new technology, this new combination of cutting-edge tech like augmented reality, generative AI, based on ServiceNow platform, how much it can help field technicians to do their work better. So thank you very much for interested. We're very excited, and we're actually presenting it at the ServiceNow Knowledge Conference. So come see us at our booth, and looking forward to see you. And there's so much more things can be done with that. Thank you. Bye.